Look guys, see? Temperature outside is 107. It is hot. If you are working on Headlight restore, you know, this is what I drink. You see, look at this. This is big. This is all a lot of ice and water. So you could open here. See? Then you drink through there, but right here you put the ice. Right there I drink all the water. And I'm telling you, man, this thing, I fill it up with ice this morning. I'm filled up about halfway, and it's still all ice. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and get one for my wife. Alright, guys, so now we're at Walmart. So I'm gonna go inside there and see if I can find any more of this thing here. Okay, hopefully they got pink or multicolor. I need to get one for my wife, so when she go to work she always got ice water. Okay, so see now guys, now we're in Walmart. Let's see if they have it. Oh, see? 2 more left. And sorry, right here, pink or green. My wife loves green color, so I'm gonna get her the green. I'm telling you, this thing is real good. You see right here? See? It is that good. Trust me guys, go get one. I'm telling you, check out the link, and please use the link in the description. This thing is very good. I'm impressed. Guys, look at this one too. This one is even bigger. Look at this. Awesome. Look at this one. This one is even bigger, and this one is even more hours. See that? Get one of them. You won't be disappointed, I promise you. This company is very good. And look like these are the smaller ones, see? But I'm telling you, yo, I'm so... Look, there's another type right here too. Look at this. Same name. Link in the description, guys. Please support the channel.